Here we go. It is August 20th, Friday, going over a lot of stocks, seeing where they're going, where they've been, what's going on in this market. SKLZ. This came out in May last year. This is like $10. Slowly made its way up. See this 10, 12 bouncing. Then December, this really took off 14 to 46. Incredible. Then this came roaring down with all these EV stocks. Look at this, way down till we exploded up in this candle. Big one candle here. That was on April 21st. Didn't last long though. It did make it to 2180, came back, bounced to 24, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Yeah, came back again, then formed another little move here, but it didn't get over the previous high. So you're here, then bounce here. You wanted to move here and then keep going up. It didn't happen. So came back down here, and you have a big tight wedge now. This is oversold. This has been oversold since July. You're at a 657 stochastic. There's a candle here trying to come up. You know, is this going to be the stop here? Now, the all-time low is pretty much, looks like 985, way back when it's IPO'd. The weekly, you see this went up on stochastics and it came right back down. See the reversal? That's why people understand. They're like, oh, it's going to keep going. You look at the weekly. When this started crossing down, it was completely bearish for all of February. You know, when it had this candle, March, April, it went straight down. Now it's May, June, you know, trying to come up, but it didn't make it. And it's back down again. Now it's at a 145 stochastics. Now you can't get much lower than that. You can probably get on here. Let me see how low I get this. -3. It looks like negative like 579. So is this going to bounce? I believe it will. See the monthly still coming down negative on stochastics. I believe. Yeah, if we bounce up immediately, I think we get to, of course, 11. I think 12 to 14 level. I would look for that. You know, you're way below your 23.6 bibs level here. Look at this, way below. This is the one, this stock, I would, maybe the next few months you could bounce. I think you're going to get back up here. So, you know, longer term, I think, you know, you'll be okay. But, you know, we're looking for a little bit shorter term, not like months, but is this going to come up? It's possible. We'll see what happens with this. Remember, no one knows exactly what's going to happen. It's impossible. Using technical analysis, educated guesses from previous, you know, how the stock moves, back testing. So we'll see what happens with this. I like this. I think that we can bounce though. And you're right now, your stop on this is 1006. If it keeps going lower, then it's not the move yet. It's pretty simple. BTBT. This one I called, I crushed it 300%. Go back to my stock quits. I called this. I said this is a wedge down. And I looked at the weekly and it's going to come up. This thing has to bounce. It went flat and it came up one candle, two candles, two bearish candles. Now trying to cross over the daily chart. You see, this was a great run. Anywhere from like 5 to 20. It's like a double, maybe a triple. Then it came back. Look at these candles. 3, 6, 8 candles red. Then it had yesterday, nice green candle. Now today, sort of back and forth, didn't hold. Very oversold here. You still need a crossover. You want white to crossover red. Is it going to do this or is this a fake out? Is it going to come down and go deeper? It's very tough to say here. It did hold this retracement. Right now, your stop's going to be this 1052 area. Weekly. You know, weekly, you're sort of bending sideways. What's this going to do? Found support. See this? Your EMAs are right here at 1041 to, you know, 1019. We're going to bounce from that. The monthly should, it's crossing over. I like the monthly here. See this? You have a big crossover. Mouse stuff. There you go. You have a crossover right here. Look at this. That's very important. It is a shooting star wick. but it's looking better on the monthly. Bit Digital, I believe this is what has to do with Bitcoin. So, here's your stop right now. If you're playing this, this could come right back up here. If it does, I might chop around here. I would look anywhere from 13, 13 to 19 if we get a real good run. I'm not saying it's going to go up right away. It could take weeks. We'll see on this. Let's dive in down here. If this crosses over, you're looking at probably 15. In this area from here, what do you got? 20 to 11. What's half of that? 15 area puts it about 15-ish. So BTBT I like a lot. SKLZ I like a lot for at least a breakout. As far as it might do one of these, like on SKLZ, it's going to break out up. And I like the potential for, definitely a few dollar gain there. So looks solid. All right, so keep an eye on these stocks. They've been moving a lot of volume on these two. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim Trades alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Kim Trades. Instagram, Mike Kim Alerts. Stock Twits, Mike Kim Alerts. And that is it for now. Peace.